Your snoring isn't annoying, it's killing your brain cells. Here's the fix. Okay, real talk. Your grandpa is not just tired. Your grandma is not just forgetful. Something is actually happening at night that is slowly and quietly destroying the most important organ in their body, and almost nobody is talking about it. We are talking about sleep apnea in people over 70, and the dementia connection that sleep doctors have been screaming about for years, while the rest of us were busy doing absolutely nothing about it. Here is what happens. Every single night, your senior family member stops breathing. Not once, not twice, hundreds of times. Their brain jolts them awake to restart breathing, and they don't even remember it happening. They wake up thinking they slept fine. They did not sleep fine. They basically ran a marathon with a bag over their head all night. And here is where it gets actually terrifying. During deep sleep, the brain runs its own little cleaning cycle. It literally flushes out toxic waste proteins. One of those proteins is amyloid beta. You may recognize that name because it is the same stuff that builds up in the brains of people with Alzheimer's disease. This is not a maybe. This is published research. Sleep apnea disrupts the cleaning cycle. The garbage stays in the brain, and over years it accumulates until one day the person you love cannot remember your name. The brain fog your grandparents complain about is not just aging. It is their brain drowning in its own waste because sleep apnea kept interrupting the one process that was supposed to clean it up. And the wild part is that most seniors with sleep apnea have never been diagnosed because they do not snore dramatically like people think. Older adults often have silent apnea, no loud gasping, just quiet little pauses in breathing that absolutely nobody catches until the damage is already done. Sleep doctors are now calling untreated sleep apnea in seniors one of the most preventable contributors to cognitive decline. Read that again, preventable, which means if we act now, the outcome can actually change. So what do we do about it? Step 1 is getting them tested. A home sleep test is a real thing. Their doctor can order one, and they never have to leave the house. If apnea is confirmed, treatment options exist, and they work. But here is where I need to talk to you about something that actually helps right now while you are figuring out the medical side of things. Positional therapy is real. A huge percentage of sleep apnea cases are positional, meaning the airway collapses specifically when someone sleeps on their back. Keeping seniors off their back during sleep can dramatically reduce apnea events. And one of the most effective tools for this is a specially designed wedge pillow or positional sleep support system. There is a product category on Amazon that is blowing up right now among people managing sleep apnea at home. Bed wedge pillows and positional therapy pillows designed to elevate the airway, keep the sleeper on their side, and reduce the number of times breathing stops through the night. Real product, real results. Link is in the description, and I need you to actually click it for your grandparents because they are not going to find it themselves. This is not a cure. This is not replacing a CPAP if one is prescribed. But for mild to moderate cases, for people waiting on diagnosis, or for anyone who needs a low-barrier first step tonight, a positional wedge pillow is genuinely one of the most accessible interventions available right now. The brain fog lifts when the sleep improves. The memory sharpens. The energy comes back. Seniors who get their sleep apnea treated report feeling like themselves again for the first time in years. That is not a supplement commercial. That is what the actual data says. So, here is your action list. Talk to your senior family member today. Forgetfulness, morning headaches, waking up tired, mood changes, confusion. Get them a home sleep test. Check the link in the description for the positional pillow while you wait. And share this video with literally every person you know who has a parent or grandparent over 70, because the window to prevent this is open right now, and it will not stay open forever. The cleaning crew only shows up when the brain actually sleeps. Let it sleep. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.